Welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Graco Turn2Me 3-in-1 convertible car seat, a versatile and innovative solution for your child's safety and comfort on the road. This car seat features a unique rotating seat design, allowing seamless transitions from rear-facing for infants as light as 4 pounds to forward-facing for toddlers up to 65 pounds, and finally to a high-back booster supporting up to 100 pounds. With its SnugLock technology, you can achieve a secure installation in under a minute, while the Graco ProtectPlus Engineering ensures your little one is protected with top-notch crash test standards. The no-rethread, Simply Safe Adjust harness system and 10 adjustable headrest positions provide a custom fit as your child grows, ensuring both safety and comfort. The convenient InRight LATCH system offers an easy, 1-second attachment with an audible click, so you know it's securely in place. Built with a durable, steel-reinforced frame, this car seat combines strength with plush inserts to cradle your infant comfortably. Experience peace of mind and ease of use with the Graco Turn2Me 3-in-1 convertible car seat, designed to grow with your child and adapt to their changing needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.